it is also called as resistance seam welding, is a process of joining two similar or dissimilar materials at a seam by the use of electric current and pressure. This process mostly used on metals since they conduct electricity easily and can sustain relatively high pressures. Seam welding is one among the most common welding processes used to join metal sheets with a continuous web. The primary importance of seam welding is welding current. The amount of heat generated at the seams will depend on the magnitude of the current flowing through it. However, cranking up the electricity too much can cause expulsion and electrode deterioration.
Seam welding machine and equipment. This is straight seam welding machine. This is longitudinal seam welding machine. The diagram shows the process of seam welding with the type of weld used in seam welding process. This is the workpiece used in seam welding process. This is upper electrode wheel. This is kernel or friction drive wheel. This is lower electrode wheel. And this is throat. Advantages and disadvantages of seam welding.
There are many advantages of seam welding. First, this welding process is quicker than spot welding. It is a continuous welding technique suitable for gas and liquid tight containers. Energy is utilized efficiently in this technique. This welding technique is ideal for making gas or liquid tight vessels. No pollutions like fumes of gas because filler material is not utilized. This technique can produce liquid type and gas type joints. Since the joint is forged due to high end pressure, a durable weld is formed in seam welding. This welding is easy to operate. Last but not least, seam welding gives sturdy design and excellent performance. Seam welding also have their own disadvantages. First of all, higher current is required as compared to spot welding. The electrode may need to be cleaned after one revolution. After that, the mechanized cleaning system is necessary for removal of contaminations. This technique is not utilized when the thickness of the sheets increased from 3 mm. Performance may be decreased if electrode and revolve speed is not controlled efficiently. The electrodes are motor driven as compared to stationary electrodes.
Applications and products of seam welding. There are many applications and products that can be produced from seam welding. First and foremost is brewery tanks, containers, heat exchangers, motor case, nuclear components, pressure vessels, tin cans, fuel tank. That's all from this video. Thank you for watching.